Irfan, and I'm from the Digital Excellence Awards Committee, here to talk to you about connected partner ecosystems and how it performs a vital part of the Digital Excellence Awards. So, in driving a connected Sri Lanka, as we look at migrating enterprises from Industry 3.0 to 4.0, um, the ability to build ecosystems, connecting partners, suppliers, an entire collaborative network across your organization is going to be important. And we're looking at how organizations are essentially structuring their approach, launching out business models, and creating this overall business impact within this stream. So how we define an ecosystem is and what we're looking for is the fact that the ecosystem within a business is multi-sided. It should enable collaboration between different parties. This collaboration can be internal units of an organization, current or future partners, and even collaboration with customers. The fundamental aspect of an innovation ecosystem is that it must enable the exchange of ideas, products, services. It must extend the capability of the business. Partners within that ecosystem need to mutually benefit from each other. And our view is such an ecosystem should and could help generate new ideas, drive faster innovation, expand the offerings of an organization, and increase reach and grow revenue. So that's essentially the importance of an ecosystem and why it is forming an integral part of the Digital Excellence Awards this year. So why partner ecosystems? It's essentially how an organization will move from centralized value creation to decentralized value creation. We're living in interesting times. All known rules are being rewritten. And so the same goes for all of the norms around doing business today. Holding on to value within an organization doesn't augur well. So we're looking at organizations that are really breaking the mold, moving from centralized value creation or value creation within the organization to decentralized value creation, which is essentially an extended value network from partners, suppliers, customers, and even competitors to create a larger ecosystem and generate decentralized value. So the expectation from an ecosystem, therefore, is to remain competitive, extend your value chain, remain relevant, create direct relationships. A lot of us are finding our value chains getting shorter with short access to customers or consumers, driving short access to markets, also driving innovation and enhancing internal value. The impact of a good ecosystem or good partner ecosystem is essentially the dimensions around your product or service will expand, will improve. Your business model capabilities will increase. Your processors will need to adapt and need to change. How you distribute your product or service and how you maintain consistency and continuity is something that we will look for in impact. A good connected partner ecosystem naturally converts a business into a platform of connected possibilities. So that's also an impact area we will be looking at in this sector or in this section of awards. Enhanced customer experience. So good connected partner ecosystems again add different dimensions to what's otherwise a set customer experience within just a defined business. And the impact we will also look for is, are you co-creating new possibilities, new ideas, new business models, and therefore creating new markets and new customers. In terms of scoring criteria for this awards, key considerations would be firstly alignment to a transformation agenda or roadmap. Connected partner ecosystem is a big part of business transformation. And is that connected partner ecosystem being designed and is it evolving as per an overall business roadmap for transformation? Is there a significant role of automation and integration? What is the integration strategy in an organization to be able to enable this connected partner ecosystem? Is there a clear stakeholder strategy, or are you just integrating with all and sundry. What is the consideration given to customer experience? Is it improving? Is it evolving? Is it changing? How are you using data within yourself and your connected partners? Are you blending it? Are you mixing it? Are you matching it? Does your data strategy allow for it? And how are you governing it? And lastly, also most importantly, within your connected partner ecosystem, is there strong evidence of stakeholder management and change management? The process of facilitating the ecosystem is very important, and we'll be looking for strong evidence of stakeholder management and change management, therefore. So an assessment matrix has been put together from basically what would constitute a merit, a bronze, a silver, and a gold. In the assessment matrix, we will be looking at 6 key areas: strategy, openness, participants, relationships, value creation, and complexity. So a merit generally would have little or no link to an overall roadmap. It's a closed a closed organization, very little evidence of an ecosystem. Participation is only internal departments, generally across vendor supplier relationships. Value creation is single dimension, and there's no view to complexity or managing complexity. In terms of bronze, there will be some evidence of goal orientation in transformation. There is at least an impact map in the business, if not a transformation roadmap. And in terms of openness, the business will be starting to open up and explore collaboration in product, process, or even business model. In terms of participants, there could be evidence of some extended partnerships beyond internal departments. There's a partner management approach in terms of relationships, and although value creation is still very opportunistic, instead of carefully thought and planned out sustainable business models. In terms of complexity in managing stakeholders and stakeholder expectations, there would be some initial signs of complexity, and an initial approach to change management would be visible in our view within what we would think constitutes a bronze. In terms of a silver, what we will be looking at is, from a strategy point of view, is there a roadmap? Is there a clear ecosystem strategy? From an openness point of view, are there clear processes and functions that support ecosystem management? Is the organization integration ready? Are the participants in that organization really clear about the value creation amongst each other and what they bring to the table? Is that clearly defined and governed? From a relationship point of view, has a partner management strategy been defined? Is there clear usage of assets? And is there more than enough evidence of sharing of data and information amongst the or within the relationships? In terms of value creation, clear competitive advantage within the ecosystem must be demonstrated. There has to be evidence of agility and also scale. Has the organization scaled as a result of building a connected partner ecosystem, and is the scale more than the regular business run rate is what we will be looking for. From a complexity management point of view, there will be good stakeholder management and change management tools and practice in place, with reasonable KPIs being measured in change management and stakeholder management. So Gold is an organization that is truly evolved in connected partner ecosystem, proven value delivery in the mid to long term, and it's a lot more holistic. So connected partner ecosystem will form a lot more holistic, picture of an overall transformation strategy. In terms of openness, a network would already be established with strong evidence of open innovation and transformation. In terms of participants, there will be clarity in asset usage and evidence of security and stability and solidarity in the partnerships. Clear governance and control in place. In terms of value creation, it's not just transactional, but there is evidence of great user experience, and it's continuously improving and evolving, and growth is exponential. In terms of complexity, each partner will see transformative change, improvement, and the practices around partner and change management will be very transformative and very out of the box. So that's essentially how we would look at an entry that comes into this award section. And this is just a guide to tell you what we will be looking at in assessing entries in connected partner ecosystem. So looking forward to receiving your entries, and wish you all the best. Thank you.